In this video, let's take a look at the simplest way to use Angular material icons. First, make sure you have a link to material icons in your index.html. This right here. Next, import the mat icon module from Angular material and add it to the material components array. By including mat icon module, we can now use the mat icon component. So in the HTML, mat icon. In between the opening and closing tags, we need to specify text that corresponds to an icon. But the question is, what text do we specify? The mat icon component accepts material icon fonts. So in the browser, go to material.io/tools/icons, and here you can see all the material fonts available. You simply grab the text from one of the icons and paste it as the inner HTML to the mat icon tag. If you now go back to the browser, you should see the icon being displayed. So you can select any icon from the list and just include the text in the mat icon component. To add a color, we use the color attribute with either primary, accent, or warn as a value, which is retrieved based on your theme. So if I add color is equal to primary, go back to the browser, you should see the icon with the primary color, which in our case is indigo. Now you can also use your own SVGs, and there is a detailed explanation on how to use them as well. So if you go to the material docs, components, under buttons and indicators, there is icon, and over here there is a good amount of explanation on using SVGs. But then again, material font has tons of icons, which might be more than enough. Alright, that is a quick video on Angular material icons.